Alright, welcome back. Thank you for joining me for this 4-minute daily stretch routine. These stretches can be done morning, afternoon, or night, before bed, whatever time is most convenient for you. No equipment required for this. So we have 6 different stretches that we're going to do today. We're going to hold each stretch for 20 seconds. A lot of people hold a lot of tension in their hips. If yours are tight, this will really help with that. If you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, please do so. Let's get started. We're going to start this stretch off with a forward fold. So come all the way down to the ground. Keep your knees soft but straight. Don't lock them out. Come on up halfway. Go ahead and put your hands on your knees and flatten out your back. And then we're going back down to the ground. Take a slightly wider stance and move your hands to one foot. You want to keep your hips square right now, facing forward. And go ahead and turn your hips toward the foot that your hands are by. And if you can, pull on your leg to get a nice deep stretch. Go ahead and move your hands to the other leg and do the same thing over there. Start with the hips square, facing forward. And then turn the hips toward that leg and pull down for a deeper stretch. Alright, we're coming down into a lunge. Bring one foot outside of both of your hands and reach your opposite hand up to the sky. Keep your back knee straight and push your hips down toward the ground. Keep your knee directly under you and your heel facing up. Go ahead and switch hands. And same thing here, keep that back leg straight, hips sinking down to the ground. The arm is directly above your shoulder. You should feel a nice stretch in your hips here. All right, we're gonna switch and come down into a pigeon. Try to get the glute of the leg that's in front on the ground, and also try to get the opposite hip on the ground. Go ahead and twist to the side of your leading leg for a deeper stretch, and then we're going to come roll out into a spinal twist. One leg straight, one leg bent, and look toward your opposite arm. Alright, coming back into a lunge on the other side. Foot outside of the hands, reach one hand up to the sky, keep that back leg straight, hips sinking down to the ground. Nice strong position here. This is a very active stretch, so it's a good workout. Go ahead and switch hands, straight back leg, hips sinking down. Hips should be square and in line with each other. Alright, whenever you're ready, sink down into that pigeon so that leading leg will come fold under you, and try to get that glute on the ground and your opposite hip. Come up and twist in the direction of your leading leg for a deeper stretch. And then we're going to come down to the ground, roll to one side, keep that same knee bent, and stretch out that arm, look toward that hand. Nice stretch in the spine here. Try to keep your knee and your opposite shoulder on the ground. Alright, and to finish off this stretch, we're going to come into a happy baby. This is a very active stretch as well, so get your hands on the outside of your feet, pull down, but make sure that your entire back stays on the ground. Upper, middle, and lower back should be in contact with the ground. If you want a little bit extra, you can sway from side to side here. And that's it, a nice quick 4-minute stretch. You can do this one every day. If you like this video, please save it by clicking that like button. Go ahead and subscribe to my channel for more videos like this. That's it for this video. Have a great day, guys.